Kisii ya Nyamira Amos nyaribu nyarakobaga gwikirana busio bwa committee ye Senate goro yobo tumeki wechibesa gose County Public Investment Committee committee yo ni gwikoragwa nere omo senator bwe county ya Viga Godfrey Ososi okwana korwa sechinsemo echo ni gonyaribo agani gwanyarakobaga koerera aneno bo tumeki bwa enibo se county eyo ya Nyamira magiga ya yenyaribo kwa olibaga nyarakobaga goikirania na kwiraniria amaburia ya senchira yobokiranu abo gotaina no roboti oruo rwa nyarakoba oroikiranu asesemeyo nigobone committee yo nyarakobaga igochika omo Gavana oyo nyaribo kubatara mona bo bisabe county nyarakoba goikirana bosyo bwe committee yo nyarakoba bakoirana nabo igo koira chinga kichabo ili nyarakoba bakorotota na kubeka oroboti oruo asenchira yobokiranu maiga yaye bachikoba bako orande chitariki chugoikirana bosyo bwa committee eyo ye Senate.
And then there was a query that was raised on proof of financial statement submissions on time. I did not see that for the year June 22 and June 2023. I don't know whether those documents were submitted late.
But for that particular year?
For the 2 years, it's not there. So how do you make a conclusion that the issues are resolved? Auditor. Because yesterday I was watching on TV and authentication of documents was raised by the Auditor General as a very critical issue. So how do you want me as Senator of Nyamira to confirm that the issues are resolved if those documents are not there? How do I...
Chair, page 5 of our report.
So 2021 was never done?
Yeah, it was never there, Chair. Yes.
They never did for 2021?
For 2021, yes.
Chair, something to note. The monies were just been formed, so some of these compliance issues had not been grasped properly.
So when was the municipal gazetted?
2019.
2019. And operationalized when?
2020, 2021.
Nakyo mugaba nago sinyukorwa e bank statement. No ninje bona gani ndakako endese ebenki. Nsabe bank statement yana ko 2019 bakabona. Ikonko uchospi. Lakini bona ntu modi kama na benga Gavana okanire tabuga ati bank statement. Ngekine egenda ko chako tenga tabuga ati nchira ko endaji ko we bank statement. Toko bolinga chiripoti chiarweterende mekutana karo mwamenya Kisumu amatuko 20 ngai chiripoti chire tuoro kirende ngimwa jeta ko somi wa matukayo bate banga ntunto bwati report ngai yebinte bere abanta bamwakanete chibesa ngamba bwate board meetings karibu milioni 1570 ya kanire buna sitting allowances lakini supporting documents omodito sabire nchi.
And even though the accountant, you have offered an explanation, but it is the directive of the committee that the auditor will revisit this matter by verifying all the documents that have been provided, including